Hello students, welcome to the e-learning platform presented by Mechanical Engineering Department of Dr. Bapuji Saloke Institute of Engineering and Technology, Kolhapur. From today's session, we are going to start our unit number 4, that is jigs and fixture. In this unit, we are going to cover the different types of jigs and fixture and design of jigs and fixture. This chapter is for 12 marks, and after the completion of this chapter we will be completing more than 50% syllabus of our subject tool engineering. The learning objectives for today's session are: number 1, study of jigs and fixture. What do you mean by jig and what do you mean by fixture will be studied in today's session, and the importance of jigs and fixture will also be studied in today's session. Depending upon the study of jigs and fixture, we are also going to study the difference between the jig and the fixture. Now, starting with unit number 4, jigs and fixture. Coming to the introduction, new machine tools, high performance cutting tools, and modern manufacturing processes enable today's industries to make parts faster and better than ever before. Mass production methods demand a fast and easy method of positioning work for accurate operations on it. Jig and fixtures are production tools used to accurately manufacture duplicate and interchangeable parts. Jigs and fixtures are specially designed so that large number of components can be machined or assembled identically to ensure interchangeability of the components. Both the jig and fixture components both the jig and fixture positions the component accurately, holds the component rigidly, and prevent the movement of workpiece in order to impart greater productivity and accuracy. Jigs and fixture hold a grip on workpiece in predetermined manner of firmness and location to perform on the workpiece a manufacturing operation. Jigs and fixtures are specially designed to build number of components. It is also to hold, support, and locate every component to ensure that each is drilled or machined within the specific limit. The jig and fixture must be accurately made of material that can be or that is able to withstand or that can withstand the wear and tear during the operational cutting forces experienced during the metal cutting. Jig and fixture must be clean, undamaged, and free from chips and grit. They are expensive to produce because they are made to fine limits from material with good resistance to wear. Let's now define the jig and fixture. Fixture is being used in machine shop is a strong and rigid mechanical device which enables easy, quick, and consistently accurate locating, supporting, and clamping of workpiece against cutting tool and results in faster and accurate machining with consistent quality, functional ability, and interchangeability. So fixture is basically a device used to locate the support, locate, and clamp the workpiece, whereas a jig is a fixture with additional feature of tool guidance. That is, jig is used to guide the tool properly in addition with locating, supporting, and clamping of the workpiece. The unemployment or the employment of unskilled labor is possible where jigs and fixtures are used in production work. The repetitive layout and setup, which are time consuming activities and require considerable skill, are eliminated. Also, the use of this device results in high degree of accuracy that workpiece are assembled with minimum amount of fitting. A jig or fixture can be designed for a particular job. The form of this to be used depends upon the shape and the requirement of the workpiece to be machined. Next is the purposes of jigs and fixture. To understand the purpose of jig and fixture, consider an example that we have to drill a hole on a plate. For that we need to do what we need to do is first is to clean the disc or clean the plate, mark the plate with the help of center punch and try to hold it, and clamp it properly, locate it and hold it. So this is the time consuming process for a long number of jobs or a more number of parts or more number of jobs. So for this or to eliminate this, the jigs and fixture are used. The basic purposes of developing and using suitable jig and fixtures for batch production in machine shop are: number 1, to eliminate marking, punching, positioning, alignments, etc. In this, by using jig and fixture, we can directly locate, clamp and secure the workpiece. So the need of marking, punching, positioning, alignments, etc. will be eliminated. Second, easy, quick and consistently accurate locating, supporting and clamping the blank in alignment of the cutting tool. As I said, it will also accurately locate, support and clamp the workpiece in alignment to the cutting tool. Third, guidance to the cutting tool like drill, reamer, etc. In the case of jigs, where the tool guidance is necessary, the jigs will be used to guide the cutting tool. Fourth, increase in productivity and maintain product quality consistently. Fifth, to reduce operators' labor and the skill. Fifth, to reduce measurement and its cost. Sixth, enhancing technological capacity of the machine tools. And last, reduction of overall machining cost and also increase in interchange ability. So these are the purposes of jigs and fixture. Starting with jigs. A jig is a special device that holds, supports or is placed on a part to be machined. It is a production tool made so that it not only locates and holds the workpiece but also guides the cutting tool as the operation is performed. Jigs are usually fitted with hard steel bushing for guiding drills or other cutting tool. A jig is any of a large class of tools in woodworking, metalworking and some other crafts that help to control the location or motion or both of a tool. Sometimes jigs are also called as templates and guides. Templates or guides. The primary purpose of jig is for repeatability and exact duplication of a part for reproduction. The most common jigs are drill jigs and boring jigs. These tools are fundamentally the same. The difference lies in the size, type and the placement of drill bushing. There are many types of jigs and each one is custom tailored to do a specific job. That is, it depends upon the job. The jigs or types of jig depends upon the jobs. Many jigs are created because there is necessity to do so by the tradesman. Some are to increase productivity, some to remove the repetitious activities and to do the job more precisely. Specialized industries application have led to the development of specialized drill jigs. For example, the need to drill precisely located rivet holes in aircraft fuselages and wings lead to the design of large jigs with bushing and liners installed. A portable air-fed drill with bushing attached to its nose is inserted through the liner in the jig and drilling is accomplished in each location. So example for jigs are the drilling jig and the reaming jig. We are going to study the different types of jigs in the further coming sessions. Next is a fixture. Fixtures. A fixture is a device for locating, holding and supporting a workpiece during manufacturing operation. It is a production tool that locates, holds and supports the work securely so that required machining operations can be performed. Fixtures have a much wider scope of application than jigs. These work holders are designed for application where cutting tools cannot be guided or do not need to be guided as easily as drill. With fixtures, an edge finder, center finder or a gauge blocks positions the cutter. Example of more common fixtures includes milling fixture, lathe fixture, sawing fixtures and grinding fixtures. Moreover, a fixture can be used in almost any operation that requires a precise relationship in position of a tool to a workpiece. Fixtures correctly locate a workpiece in given orientation with respect to a cutting tool or measuring device or with respect to another component. Fixtures are normally designed for a definite operation to process a specific workpiece and are designed and manufactured individually. Jigs are also similar to fixtures, but they not only locate and hold the part but also guide the tool, guide the cutting tool. Fixtures vary in design from relatively simple tools to expensive complicated devices. Fixtures are also help to simplify metal working operations performed on special equipment. Fixtures are normally classified by the type of by the classified by the type of machine on which they are used. Fixtures are different in design, varying upon the simple design to the most expensive and the complicated devices. So this is for today's session. Thank you. Students are informed to write the difference between the jigs and fixtures for their understanding, as the question regarding the same is asked in your MSBT examinations. Thank you.